Heck.
It's a candy and cupcake show. What's our cupcake? I have no money. I only have 2. I only have 1. What can you do with $3? Nothing, really. Well, maybe we can get a dog. A dog costs money. Oh my God. Maybe let's get a dog. None available. Now let's go for a walk. Oh, a dog! With a rose and a note. Why don't you pick her up? She looks friendly. Okay. What's your name? Stray dog looking for home. Free.
What does this mean?
Can we keep her? Yeah, sure. What should we name her first? What are we ingredients? What's our main ingredient? I know! Sugar! And she looks like sugar too! You're a new member! Now it's the candy and cupcake show, including sugar! Yes! Okay, so now, let's just take her for a walk. Yeah! We don't have a leash. Oh, that's okay. And at Home Harbor, the leashes are only $3. Let's take the dog. Grab the dog. Okay, let's go. We just got the most beautifulest leash. I'll let her. Let's put it on her. Want to go for a walk? Good girl. No, this is a girl. Yes, okay. Come on, Sugar. Let's go for a walk. And later that day.
Later that day.
It's getting a bit late. Let's go to bed. Come on. Let's go to bed. It's the Candy and Cupcake Show!